Nobody told me my neighbor could delay my renovation. It sounds unbelievable. But in many Manhattan buildings, your renovation doesn't just affect you. It affects everyone living around you. One complaint about noise, one missed protection detail in the hallway, one delivery outside the approved hours. Suddenly, your project slows down. The crew waits. The schedule slips. The costs keep adding up. The homeowners who have the smoothest renovations aren't always the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones who understand that a successful project starts long before demolition. That means planning with the building, respecting the rules, communicating with neighbors, and solving problems before they become delays. In Manhattan, construction isn't just about building beautiful spaces. It's about earning trust from everyone involved. If you're planning a renovation, remember this: your neighbors can influence your timeline more than you think. Follow Corniel Construction for more real stories and renovation insights from inside Manhattan's most challenging projects.